singing. Now you can play the piano together. Are you taking a picture of us?
No. I'm just looking at my phone. Are you not going to sing that song you were singing earlier?
Yeah. It was a funny day. It was a funny day.
No, that's not what you were singing.
Why?
Because you were singing a different song. The one about a dog.
What dog?
Get your microphone and sing it. What about the farmer? There was a farmer.
Bingo with the rainbow. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, and bingo with the rainbow.
I like that song. You like that song, Aubrey?
Would you play it and get it?
What are you doing? Are you pooping? Hey. Hey. Drool face.
One